वैश्विक सनातन धर्म जागतिक स्तर पर किया गया अभ्यास और शोधात्मक विश्लेषण, इस विषय पर श्री प्रवीण कुमार शर्मा जी हमें संबोधित करेंगे। तत्पूर्व हम उनका परिचय समझ कर लेते हैं। भाग्यनगर तेलंगाना के श्री प्रवीण कुमार शर्मा जी वैदिक प्रवचनकर्ता एवं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदू शोधकर्ता है। आपने देश भर के 18 शक्तिपीठ और 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग इस क्षेत्र में देश और धर्म रक्षणार्थ यज्ञ किया है। धर्म रक्षा के लिए कश्मीर के श्रीनगर में 11 दिन शतचंडी यज्ञ किया। आपने वियतनाम देश में जाकर उधर जो सनातन धर्म के अवशेष चिन्ह है उनका शोध कर उसे विश्व के सामने रखा है। मैं प्रवीण कुमार जी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वे हमारा संबोधन करें।
This is my first speech in English and Hindi. I give in speeches in many times in Telugu. We are come from so many places. We are speaking so many languages. We have so many traditions, but we come from only for that. That's called Sanatana Dharma. We never seen any other creeds. This is a fantastic situation, fantastic thing in Sanatana Dharma. Here I am going to speak about universal Sanatana Dharma. This Sanatana Dharma only belongs to Bharat. This Sanatana Dharma belongs to world. This Sanatana Dharma belongs to planet. The Sanatana Dharma have a one sloka which is Ayam Nijaparo Vetihi Gananam Laghuchetasam Udara Cheritanam tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Sanatana Dharma have a one family. This earth is own one family. So Sanatana Dharma have told only toleration. We have so many situations like Varnashrama Dharma. We have so many things. So universal Sanatana Dharma is entire planet is Sanatana Dharma. So we have a question here. If Sanatana Dharma is entire planet, now we have so many religions in another places in India and here also. How it will happen? How it will come here? So the simple answer is January 19 or 20, 1990 in Kashmir, they called Raleef Galeev Chaleef. वो कैसा बोलते रलीफ गलीव चलीफ, वो पूरा जगत है रलीफ गलीव चलीफ, ये पूरा जगत का कहते, ये पूरा हिंदूस का, ये पूरा जगत में हिंदूस है. Before born these religions, before born these creeds. Sanatana Dharma is entire planet. Some cults some groups are created in one place. They spread over the planet. So they do only with the sword. You know the sword? Big knife. They use only for that, and they travel the entire planet and they create and they use that. Here a question. Sanatana Dharma have a toleration. How our religions, how our Sanatana Dharma have lost entire universe. Entire universe, not only planet. Sanatana Dharma have entire planet. These religions born 2000 or 4000 years ago. That before there is Sanatana Dharma existed. We go back 2000 years ago. This entire planet is Sanatana Dharma. Like, if we go North America and South America, there are many civilizations like Aztec and Mayan and Inca. These are all Hindu civilizations. Some invaders came to their country, they destroyed every civilization, every pathogism. They destroyed every single thing. And now we have a world constitution that is called Vedas. The Vedas is a world constitution. This constitution will survive, will maintain entire universe. Vedas have, before Mughals came to India, we have in Vedas 1121 branches. Now we have 8 branches. How it will destroy? How it will gone? Just think it. 1,000 years back ago, people came from Middle East countries to our country. They destroy so many universities. They burned so many granthas. They burned so many Upanishads, so many Vedas, so many Veda branches. 800 years back ago, we have 1121 Vedas, 21 Vedas in branches. Now we have 8 or 9 branches. These 9 branches will give next 1 million years, not 100,000, not 1,000. 1 million years, what science has inventing, Sanatana Dharma has invented. Sanatana Dharma have a great system of, if entire books, entire system will burn, but our system, our culture will exist. That's our system, our culture come mind to mind transfer. Guru Shishya Sambodhana. Like Guru bolte, a Shishya patate. Aisa. Our system have no books. Recently we write it. Before Valmiki has started writing about Ramayana, Mahabharata has like this. So scientists are also inventing one thing. They are also spending thousands of crores about other planets has also living being or not. They are trying to research all these things. But Sanatana Dharma have told you the clear about Sanatana Dharma, which is Aneka Kota Brahmanda Janani Divya Vigraha. This verse in Lalita Sahasranama. This entire planet, entire cosmos, entire galaxy have a living being. The living being have also the Paramatma. Sanatana Dharma has existed everywhere, every single situation. We feel every person is our brother. Other thing also feel like that. Sanatana Dharma have a great thing is one thing that is called universal brotherhood. Universal brotherhood is Sarve bhavantu sukinaha, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pasyantu, माकस्ति दुखवाद भवेत. कुछ मान है दुख नहीं आने है, ये पूरा जन है सुख है. ये सनातन धर्म का ये मेन प्रबोध है. मेरे को सनातन धर्म को एक एग्जाम्पल है. सनातन धर्म कैसा पूरा एग्जिस्ट है, कैसा पूरा है. मैं since few months back ago I'm at in Vietnam. There is a city called Hoi An. In Hoi An, there is a lake. The water and the China has built that lake. There is in the water the grandma has dropping the deep है. मालूम है ना deep? ये deep डालने के लिए मैं बात करते हूँ बाता जी. ओ grandma, why are you doing this? She don't know that. She told me that my grandmother told me you do this, you get good. So after Kartika Masa, after start that Masa, we used to drop a lamp in water every place. In entire planet names will change. In Vietnam there is a place called Phan Rang, Phanrang. That original name is Panduranga. They couldn't pronounce it that name, they changed the name Phan Rang. So in Inca civilization in South America, in Mayan civilization in North America, there are many civilizations in North America and South America. Especially in Red Americans, these invaders came to there and they killed very ruthlessly. Their culture has also Sanatana Dharma has existed. Still also people who are living in very less percentage Red Indians, they have also Sanatana Dharma. They are also practicing Yajna Prakriya. In 1940s, Chamanlal, a writer, he wrote a Hindu America book. He researched many about Red Indians and he went to and he seek every situation of Red Indians. He write that Red Indians are worship on Lord Rama. Red Indians are worship on Lord Garuda. They used to be perform yajna. In Australia also our civilization. Australia also there is indigenous people. The people came from Tamil Nadu. They used to songs like Tamil songs, old Tamil songs. Since so many years back, one Tamil singer went to Australia. She sang there. After that sing, there is a indigenous people came to sing, and they sing like what Tamil singer sings like that. They have all sing like Tamil songs. She spoke with indigenous people. How your culture? We don't know. They said they are always wearing vibhuti. They are always vibhuti, and they know Shiva Puja still also. They went from Tamil Nadu to Australia 40,000 years back ago. Still there existed. Sanatana Dharma existed every single place. Sanatana Dharma existed every single atom, every single subatom. तेलुगु में एक पोयम है, इंदु गलडंदु लेडनि संदेहमु वलतु चक्र सर्वोपगतेंदुवतिकी चूसिना अंदंदे गलडु दानवाग्रनि विंटे. भगवान किधर है? ये भगवान ये अणुओं में है, ये परमाणु में है, ये ऐसा ये सनातन धर्म एवरी प्लैनेट में है. हमारे चांस नहीं है देखने के लिए अदर प्लैनेट. Hey, Sanatana Dharma has existed every single atom, every single subatom. So, mark my words, in this critical situation, the only Sanatana Dharma which save our lives. Again, mark my words, what science creating, what science inventing now, Sanatana Dharma has invented. Let me give an example, artificial intelligence. Sanatana Dharma have a Yoga Vasistha. The Yoga Vasistha told us this artificial intelligence. 1,000 years back ago, in Madhya Pradesh, a king of Bhoja write a book, Samarangana Sutradhara, 1,000 years back ago, about how to build a robot, how to build a specialized temples, architecture. And in Yoga Vasistha, there is a one story about robots and artificial intelligence. The story about Brahma has created 3 persons, Vama, Dala, Katu. Brahma given only knowledge of Veda. He didn't give any kind of knowledge. They don't have any kind of Laukika, secular view. So if any persons came to Vama, Dala, Katu, they give only Veda knowledge. This science also, if you check in ChatGPT, if you check any other AI, if you ask anything, what behind people they build in that, they give only that. They don't have another knowledge. They don't have common sense. Humans like that. So, Sanatana Dharma has invented anything, everything. Sanatana Dharma has never against nature. This science going to against nature. Which going to against nature, the civilization is going to be question mark. So again, mark my words, next 1 million years, what science inventing, our Sanatana Dharma has invented. In 1,000 years back ago, in Vedas, we have 1121 branches. Now we have only 8 branches. This in 8 branches, we have invented everything. We have epics, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Yoga Vasistha. These are great epics. Mahabharata is the greatest epic in ever seen, because that has 100,000 slokas. Max Muller said this, how Indians remind 100,000 slokas. He surprised, see this. In Mahabharata, there is a one sloka, Yadi hasti tadan yatra yenne hasti natatvachit. In Mahabharata, which we have, there is no other world. Mahabharata में क्या है? ये पूरा जगत में है. कुछ महाभारत में नहीं है, ये पूरा जगत में नहीं है. ये व्यास महर्षि बोलते. So, Sanatana Dharma have every science. this Hindu Janajagruti Samiti में give me wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. जय श्री राम.
बंधुओं, प्रवीण जी ने जो विषय हमारे समक्ष रखा, तो हम सभी को ये पता है कि विश्व भर में जितनी भी सारी पुरानी सभ्यताएं हमें मिली है, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो वो सनातन धर्म से जुड़ी हुई है, परंतु उन्होंने जो विशेष रूप से शोध कार्य किया है, उस शोध कार्य से अभी ये प्रमाणित हो जाता है कि अमेरिका में भी जो सभ्यता प्राप्त हुई है वो भी हमारी भारतीय सनातन संप्रदाय, सनातन धर्म, हिंदू धर्म से ही जुड़ी हुई है। तो इसलिए ये जो शोध कार्य करने में उन्होंने एक अनमोल योगदान दिया है, उसके लिए हम उनका बहुत बहुत आभार एवं धन्यवाद व्यक्त करते हैं।